Hello everyone, I wanted to bring you an update. I'm in Springfield, Illinois, which is that red dot pretty much in the middle of the screen, right south of where you can clearly see there's going to be trouble. We're looking at tornado possibilities. This is the yellow area is a 10% chance, and the red area is a 15% chance. That's been upgraded since I've been driving, of seeing a tornado within a 25-mile radius of where you are. So Peoria is definitely in the worst of it. Now, where you see that kind of striped pattern, the single stripes are everything below EF2. The next level up is EF2 and a little bit higher, so that's a high threat area. Now, the thing I'm wondering about is if a lot of those tornadoes will happen after dark. It's not my preferred chase mode for sure. I want to get as many possibilities in as I can before that period. So let's we'll take a look at that. That's fine. Let's take a look at some other stuff here. Let's look at the mesoscale analysis. And again, I don't think I can put cities on here, but where you see that green color, that's where the highest dew points are. So very, very good moisture. The red lines are temperature patterns. And where you see the very sharp gradient, where it drops off, that's the all-important front that runs from just south of Chicago, right across central, north-central Illinois, right into southeast Iowa, and it connects to what we would call a meso-low, or a small low, around St. Joe. I think that's going to be pivotal as that system moves along the boundary. It's going to make the winds come out of the southeast a little bit more favorable conditions. So that's why I think northeast Missouri, of course, is where the SPC thinks things are going to initiate anyway, and then move into western Illinois. So since I'm in Springfield, I will actually go up to Bloomington normal and then get on 74 and go northwest toward that frontal boundary and catch some of those initiating storms and see if we can get some before dark sets in. Here's another thing we can look at too. This is the visible satellite image. It's kind of hard to see boundaries here. In fact, right in the middle of your screen, that's where Illinois, Iowa, and Missouri come together. So that's right around Ottumwa and Hannibal, Quincy. You notice we have some cumulus clouds. Those are the little white dots you see there, and some of them are streaming. So we could have some circulations here that help break the cap. And then the front is very obvious on the northern end where the cumulus clouds stop and it just becomes solid cloud. That's where the front is. Now, storms that ride north of that front will be big hailers, but that's not really what a storm chaser wants. We want the tornadic stuff. So along the front and south of the front is where I'm going to be watching here today. Again, I'm in Springfield, Illinois, and just getting some gas. And things have certainly heated up, both literally and on the maps. And so I'll bring another update a little bit later as we get closer to chase time. Hopefully we'll catch ourselves a tornado here, and everybody stays safe, both chasing and, of course, on the ground as well.